Stop wasting hours on presentation when AI can do it in just a few minutes. If you know how to write a sentence, you can create this presentation within a few clicks. And let me show you exactly how. Head to AiPPT.com and sign up using either your Google account or just your email and password. Once you're in, you'll have all these options to create a slide. You can use AI to create your slides, import some sort of documents, URL, or choose from a template. So first off, let me show you how you can create a slide using AI itself. Now, here you have two modes, either standard mode or nano banana mode. So I'm going to use the standard mode for now instead of nano banana pro because it requires paid credits. Now in this mode, I've already entered the topic of my presentation, which is introduction to cloud computing. Here I can select the number of pages I want in my presentation. I can go up to 20 in my free plan. Next, I can select the language in which I want my presentation to be. There are a lot of language options, after which I can select the text volume and the tone of the text itself. Like, I want this to be inspiring and the text volume to be medium because I don't want a lot of text, but I don't even want minimal text. Next, the audience is students and the scenario is teaching and training. Now all I have to do is hit send, which will create an outline for my presentation. Now you can go through the outline, which has your theme and table of content. If you want to edit this, you can click on this edit mind map button, and then you can find this, which are the chapters, then different headers and the slide. So if you want to make any changes, you can double click on it and change the headings. You can also download this mind map. Once you do that, you can then select the image source. Like right now it's selected as AI generated, but you can change it to accent images, so it will use only decorative image in your presentation or no image at all. I'm going to stick with AI generated images, and then you can here choose the models for which using which your AI image will be generated. Now go ahead, click on the select template option, which will take you here. You have to select the style of your template as well as scenario or the color, and you can then explore multiple templates. Now I have a clear vision, so I'm going to select the style as professional and the scenario to be education. Now to preview your slide, all you have to do is click on it and you get this short preview of your slide. Okay, so this is the template that I like. You can also filter them using the color that you want, and I'm just going to use this one. And now I'll click on this generate PPT button, which will start the rendering of this PPT. Now this is the generated presentation. I've opened it up in the editor, and here you can actually edit this whole presentation. You can change up the template, edit the outline, insert new elements, change the images as well as text, font, shapes, backgrounds, etc. Let me give you a quick slideshow. So here's what our presentation looks like right now, and it looks good enough considering that I didn't have to get the content, neither did I have to create any of these elements. Now to download this, click on this download button right here, select the file type, and you can choose whether you want editable text or not, and then click on this download button right here. Now that was how you can create slides using the AI option, but you have other options as well, like this one right here, which generates dynamic slides, like this one right here, which was created using that option. And then you have the import document option, where you can insert any of these document formats and it will turn that into PPT. But there is also an interesting option, which is paste text or markdown. So for this one right here, all you have to do is paste in the content of your presentation, or you can use markdown format. Now this is really useful and helpful if you have a clear vision in your mind and want to enter in specific kind of content into your presentation. All you have to do is use this prompt right here. Simply copy that, head to any AI of your choice. Right now I'm using Google Gemini. Paste the copied prompt and then you can go ahead, enter in your presentation requirement before this code. So here I've added just a single line that has my topic and then the prompt that we copied from the website, and all I have to do is submit this, and Gemini gave me a markdown of my whole presentation. Now I have to copy this and simply paste it in my AiPPT and now hit enter, which created an outline based on the text. And now all I have to do is go ahead, select the template that I want. So this is the template. I'm going to generate the PPT, and there we have it, a 14-page PPT presentation just ready within a minute. Now I can either click on the edit button, which will open up the editor like the last time we did, or share this by clicking on this button, which will open up this box right here where I can manage the access and the settings, and simply proceed to share this link with anyone I want to give the access to this presentation. Also, I can protect it with my password, and finally there's the download option. So that's basically how you can use AiPPT to generate creative and professional looking presentation within just a few minutes. Also, to get more control over the content of your data within your presentation, you can use either a document, a URL, or simply paste the content of your presentation. So go all out and create your presentation using AiPPT.